What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are working on the fuel pump for the 40 because you know how I said I would get it in the mail? I got it in the mail. So what I already did was I already removed the battery, and I also, what do you call this? Yeah, the fuel cap. So I already loosened it up so there is no pressure. We're gonna take a look at the trunk because that's where the fuel pump's at. Here's the fuel pump. We're gonna want to remove these. Alright, so I'm gonna sit you guys down here. Now, we need to remove these two hoses and then unscrew all these bolts. All of the screws have been removed. Now we have to lift this up. Me and the heat. I literally just got outside 5 minutes ago and look. Time to remove this fuel pump. Okay, so we got the new one. Cut this and this.
They're having to reconnect it.
There's a thing here, see?
You have to splice it together?
Yeah. See, this is where they attach the arrow in here. So just open this up, you know? First. The mesh thing, and I have my own mesh thing here, the soft. I don't know where I should cut this from.
Right there, that's a...
Here, should I cut it
Hold
here?
on, do you have a splicer together?
Yeah, here.
That should be a...
Red and
should be a
same, red and black. Yeah, there is the white one. There's a white one there, there's two.
Right here.
Yeah.
You see right there, that you need
This one.
You need to cut that.
Right here in the middle. But some people, they cut it right here just to be sure, safe.
You can, actually you can, because those are already spliced together.
Yeah. Just so we have enough give, you know what I mean? Okay. And then now that those are stuff, it's supposed to just come out. Oh yeah, it is coming out. Okay. And then, ah, ow, ow. Okay, we got it up. Okay, next time I shouldn't do that. Out with the old, in with the new. See the difference? There's no difference because I think they're the same. I gotta cut up my hand. Oh wow. So connector like this, right? This one goes here. So I need to put the. Can you get the sock? Oh yeah, you need a brush so I can brush this off also. We can brush this. Should we brush this? It's dirty.
You want to clean it?
Yeah, like you have like a brush.
No better to just.
Ah, look at all this sand and dust and dirt. Yeah. Sand. I mean dirt. It's dirty. Dirty, mate. Trash can. Where's the trash?
Is it?
Here's the cut.
What's this one for?
Huh? Oh, this is for this part.
Oh
There's
yeah.
supposed to be a small, tiny circle ring
It's already on this.
with that. Oh, okay. No, there's supposed to be a smaller, even smaller one, no?
Where's the circle ring? Oh, the ring's on that. You have to remove that brown piece.
No.
That's the cap. Oh.
No, I put it like this.
Yeah.
There's a brown piece here. Just remove it and then put this on. See, no, because there's supposed to be like a small ring that you put it here so it hooks on and it
You
doesn't,
need to reuse this.
and it doesn't lock.
Or
Oh yeah, here. Yeah, see? There it is. My hands are so dirty. You can see that. This goes in here. In there. Ouch! It's supposed to go in like that. You put that and you have to put this on top. Cap it.
Oh, that cap's not part of it.
Yes, that is part of it. You put it on the opposite side. Because when you put it in here, it's gonna line up here. Look. See? Right here.
Oh, you're talking about that one?
Yeah.
You're talking about the brown one.
Oh, that brown one? No, you don't need that one.
It's a
Alright.
lot.
Yeah, it is, but I don't know. You have to really jam it in. It has no more bristles. You think all this dirt is causing the field to get dirty?
There you go. Just jam it
Like
in.
all of this, like this buildup right here.
Yeah, but we turn off the fan if you're gonna do that.
Or you can put it on one. Maybe that's why maybe that's why it doesn't read right when we put gas. Because this shit dirty. Look. It's probably all the sensors. You think?
I could leave it as if you want.
Nah, I'll just brush it off as best as possible. I mean, if it was me, I want new everything, you know what I mean? But, nah,
Or degrease if you want.
it still works. Just match it up. Okay. And then, where's that tube? Use these tubes and 2 rings. So you put them here. Our favorite tool. Whoa, cool. The fun part. Put these wires together. Red on red and black on black.
Man, I don't know if it's crimping.
Look at this. They didn't even crimp it all the way. They just crimped it in the center. Look. Dude, you're crimping it too much. Look at this. See, this one is just one here and then one here. Literally. Look, it's like they just took 2 and then they just went like that. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, like literally. Should I need to do that?
I'm gonna wire tape it.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. 'Cause I was thinking, like, what if the fuel gets inside it, no? Why? But this goes directly inside the fuel.
Wait, it goes inside your gas tank?
Yes.
Why
You see, if you open there, you see all the liquids already?
That's from coming out of here. This shouldn't be getting wet.
Yes. This shit is wet.
Well, it was getting soaked.
Yeah, this is the lever for the fuel. This is the one. That's why, like, this goes down if you don't have fuel, and if you have fuel, it goes up. That. Or the other way around. But I know one way has fuel, the other way doesn't have. So I'm thinking no fuel here, and then fuel. Right? Because when you put it this way. Connected everything, took out the stock fuel pump, and now we replaced it with a new one. So what Stefan is doing right now is he's just putting some wire tape around it just to be secure, and then yeah, we're gonna put a brand new one back into the car, bolt everything in, and start the car, and hopefully this will solve the idling issue. If not, I don't know anymore. It's gonna be back to the drawing board if not. Wish us luck. Wish us luck. Give this video a thumbs up.
Other way, nice. This way. See the space here? This way.
No, I tried that way too.
Alright, this is correct.
Okay, just zip tie it.
I'm gonna go around.
Yeah, that's what I did earlier. But I was like, I'm gonna zip tie it.
Maybe we should have connected it first.
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, this is the clip to it. There's this thing.
There.
It didn't go in all the way. Good.
I even had to move
Spray
this.
it down.
I even had to move this because it was in the way.
Your
No, let's spray it with that.
Your O-ring's too big.
What O-ring?
It expanded. The rubber expanded.
I don't have like that.
You kind of need it. It prevents it from leaking out.
Contact.
The best way to do it is cut it. You want to cut it?
Oh, I make it smaller?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me do that for you.
Hey guys. Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Editing Maria. So in this clip that you're watching right now, Stefan actually cut the O-ring because it expanded, and so he decided to trim it so it would fit the trimming. And then we put the fuel pump in, but a little spoiler alert, the idling was fixed, but then later on, maybe like a couple hours later, the idling went back to low and it was still bad. And so we decided, I did a little searching, and it said that you shouldn't cut the O-ring. Because even if you cut it, there's still going to be like that little tiny gap that the pressure will escape and yabba dabba doo. So we went to Napa today and we picked up an O-ring. And so this is how it looks like. Boom, brand spanking new. And actually right after this clip, I'm going to go ahead and install it.
Yeah, but never use the plus. That plus is just for backup, in case this thing gets stripped.
Yeah. If you but if you're really looking at it, right, if you use a plus, I feel like that's gonna strip it faster.
Yeah, it's already stripped.
Yeah.
You're gonna want
Torque it.
No, this is the size I want. I want a tough one.
New fuel pump is installed. Now I just need to tighten up the gas cap and then start her up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just gonna connect the battery. She's on. Idling is good. I just washed my hands and look. You see that? That was from earlier when I pulled the old fuel pump. But anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up because you're awesome. Okay. Follow me on all my social media. Everything's gonna be in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of me and my 40. Until then, my name is Maria.